last time we were here, we came for our anniversary and for my birthday, but not this time. This time we're actually here to bowl the Open Championships, largest tournament of the year. We're coming to Vegas this year. We got 3 teams, should be a lot of fun. All right, bowling balls are packed. Here we go. Open Championships. Time to go check in. All right, so we're just getting ready to go to the Open Championships. And if you don't know a lot about it, it's one of the most prestigious bowling events of the year. So it originally started in 1901, and it's actually said to have anywhere from an average of 50 to 70,000 bowlers per year. Also, the prize fund this year is just topped over $5 million total dollars. So yeah, it should be a fun time. We're waiting on a couple of guys to go. We're getting ready to head over to South Point and go bowl.
actually good. Do you think he will go over a 150?
I'm hoping he gets over 70.
That's fair.
I'm being honest.
What about Seth?
Seth is going to do awesome tonight. I just know it.
All right, Anna, how do you think Billy's going to do tonight?
He's going to do amazing. He's excited. He's ready.
Can you tell me? How do you think Dan's going to do tonight?
He's going to bowl 300. Oh, yeah.
I love it. How do you think?
Roger.
Roger.
He's going to do awesome. He's excited. First time.
Yay! Wanting I want fresh. I saw that you had this, and I'm like, I want that. Like I wanted something fresh and
It's going to be
I got the Prosecco. It was cold.
If you get less than that, I'm going to take away all the
yeah. I like red usually.
I don't have to blame that off.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
Where the magic is going to happen tonight. Here. I guess this guy over here is like a referee. I'm not sure. Well, really, this is where they go last year. Is right over here. And what's cool is continuing backing. So for us wives who are the wives who are supporting, we are all supporting. All of us are waiting for them to come out down. They'll come out down there. So
Good evening from Las Vegas, Nevada. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the 116th USBC Open Championships.
All right, go get it, boys. Texas shirts going down the lanes. Texas shirts. Look at all those shirts. All right, this is it. Team event. Here we go. 3 games.
Hi, baby! Come here! Oh my gosh!
Good to see you.
So the girls made shirts. It was a surprise.
Good to see you too.
Living that bowling wife life. We are so lucky.
Why is he enjoying that hat?
are we saying?
What are you asking?
You said a recap.
You're interviewing.
Well, what's your recap?
Would my husband's score be?
Well, he did not.
What did we have fun doing tonight? We had fun drinking,
Oh, yeah.
and we had fun wooing.
I will say the South Fork
Point.
Point.
We're in Vegas, not Dallas.
Okay. The buffet, they gave you tickets to get drinks.
Yes.
And the food. It was a really great price.
It was good. And also to note that Anna and I got kicked out of the buffet
Yeah.
when we went the second time. We decided at one point to go have just a little treat. We decided we wanted to go have some dessert and a beverage. We went down to eat, and you can't do that. We got told by 2 people we needed to leave. So we had to leave our dessert
We have to have your receipt.
and leave, yes. So, but we did get to get our drinks, so
Woo! Anna and Jordan are currently at a craps table.
Yes.
Playing.
They got craps.
yes.
Perry, how'd you do?
Hey, okay. Finished. Okay guys, it is day number 2. Doubles and singles right now. It is about 5:45 in the morning. I'm off to meet Mr. Perry downstairs, and we're gonna Uber it over to South Point. Day 1 wasn't so bad. I bowled a little bit better than my tournament average. I bowled lower than my normal average, but all in all, it's a good start to the tournament. I would have liked to bowl a little bit better on my last game, but felt really comfortable, had a good shot. So today's going to be a little bit more harder, tougher from what I understand. But here we go, 6 games. Gonna head downstairs. We're gonna catch an Uber. We're gonna check in our bowling balls again. Walk out, and here we go, 6 games. All right, day number 2, we gotta walk all the way around because we are on lane 5 and 6. We gotta go all the way over that way. Get down on it! That's where we bowled last night, right there. finished 640. 640 is what I bowled. So I'm in top 25. I don't know where I'm at yet. But overall, good experience. My best tournament ever. So yeah, 640, not too bad. Okay guys, so I think we're going to wrap it up on the Open Championship vlog. Thanks you guys for watching. I hope I got enough footage for you. I didn't want to record a lot just because you're not supposed to record your time on the lanes. I was able to get a couple of things, but I didn't want to get in trouble. So hope I had some good footage for you. Thanks you guys for watching. If you did like it, hit the subscribe button down below. Give us a thumbs up. On behalf of all the teams from Texas, for the 2019 USBC Open Championships here in Las Vegas, you guys have a magical day. We'll catch you later. Bye-bye.